Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bella. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In our last videos, we talked about the daily routines, we talked about how to make an appointment, and in our part 3, I will teach you how to excuse yourself. How to excuse yourself maybe for being late to an appointment. Are you ready? Then let's start. Mich entschuldigen. Excuse myself or excuse me. Explanations and excuses. It's our part 3. So guys, if you know you are going to be late for your appointment, it would be the best to let the person know who is waiting for you, right? So maybe you can just give a quick call. And how about saying something like this? Entschuldigung or entschuldigen Sie, ich komme ein bisschen später. Entschuldigung or entschuldigen Sie, ich komme ein bisschen später. That means, sorry, I'm going to be late a bit. Or if you know how many minutes or hours you're going to be late, you could say, entschuldigen Sie or Entschuldigung, ich komme 10 Minuten später. Ich komme 10 Minuten später. That means, sorry, I'm going to be 10 minutes late. You could put in any time that you know you're going to be late for. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, anytime. If you know you're going to be 10 minutes late, you're going to say, ich komme 10 Minuten später. But sometimes it is not possible to give a call. So if you arrive late at your appointment, you can say something like this. If you rely on the public transport, you could say, entschuldigen Sie or Entschuldigung, mein Zug hatte Verspätung. Entschuldigung or entschuldigen Sie, mein Zug hatte Verspätung. That means, sorry, my train was late. Or, if you missed your public transport, you could say, Entschuldigung or entschuldigen Sie, ich habe den Bus verpasst. Ich habe den Bus verpasst. Or, if you're going by tram, die Straßenbahn, you could say, ich habe die Straßenbahn oder die Bahn verpasst. Ich habe die Straßenbahn verpasst. And if you're going by train and you missed your train, you could say, ich habe den Zug verpasst. Ich habe den Zug verpasst. So now let's have a look at some excuses if you're using your own transport or you're walking or going by foot. Entschuldigung or entschuldigen Sie, mein Auto ist kaputt. Mein Auto ist kaputt. That means my car is broken. Maybe it didn't start in the morning. Or you could also say, Entschuldigung or entschuldigen Sie, ich hatte eine Panne. Ich hatte eine Panne. That means my car broke down. Or you were stuck in traffic jam. Entschuldigung or entschuldigen Sie, ich stand im Stau. Ich stand im Stau. And now you lost your way. If you are driving, you could say, Entschuldigung or entschuldigen Sie, ich habe mich verfahren. Ich habe mich verfahren. That means I missed my way driving. But if you're walking, you could say, Entschuldigung, entschuldigen Sie, ich habe mich verlaufen. Ich habe mich verlaufen. That means I missed my way walking. And now let's have a look at these excuses here. Entschuldigung or entschuldigen Sie, ich habe den Termin vergessen. That means I forgot about the appointment. Ich habe den Termin vergessen. Or you overslept. Entschuldigung or entschuldigen Sie, ich habe verschlafen. Ich habe verschlafen. Now we're having a look at this situation. Being late for a doctor's appointment. Zu spät kommen zu einem Arzttermin. On the left side we have the patient and on the right we have the lovely doctor's receptionist. Guten Morgen, mein Name ist Natalia Fernandes. Good morning, my name is Natalia Fernandes. Guten Morgen, Frau Fernandes. Sie hatten einen Termin mit Dr. Schlau um 10:15 Uhr. Good morning, Mrs. Fernandes. You had an appointment with Dr. Schlau at 10:15. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Ich hatte eine Panne und bin ein bisschen zu spät. Excuse me, please. My car broke down and I am a little bit late. Es ist in der Praxis heute sehr viel los. Sie können im Wartezimmer warten oder wir können einen neuen Termin machen. It's very busy in the surgery today. You can wait in the waiting room or we can rearrange for a new appointment. Ich warte im Wartezimmer. Dankeschön. I'm waiting in the waiting room. Thank you. So guys, did you notice something? I marked two words. Exactly. Hatte und hatten. They come from the verb haben, to have. They are in the first past. The first past, die erste Vergangenheit. Also called Präteritum. Now let's see how to correctly conjugate the verb. Ich hatte. Ich hatte. I had. Du hattest. Du hattest. Sie hatten. Sie hatten. That means we address a person in the formal way. Sie. Er, he, sie, she. Es, it, hatte. Er hatte, sie hatte, es hatte. Now, let's have a look at the plural side. Wir hatten, we had. Wir hatten, ihr hattet, ihr hattet, you guys had. Now we address more than one person in the formal way. Sie hatten, sie hatten, and our last one, sie hatten. Sie hatten. And now let's have a quick look at some examples. Let's see if you know how to conjugate it correctly. It's about the verb to have, haben, if you put it in the first past, die erste Vergangenheit, Präteritum. Du, bla 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 bla, viel Zeit zum Lernen. Du, bla 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 bla, viel Zeit zum Lernen. You had a lot of time to learn or to study. What's the right conjugation of the verb have, haben? Exactly. Du hattest viel Zeit zum Lernen. Du hattest viel Zeit zum Lernen. Let's head on to the next one. Bla 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 bla. Ihr Spaß auf der Party. Bla 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 bla. Ihr Spaß auf der Party. Did you guys had fun on the party? Exactly, guys. Hattet ihr Spaß auf der Party? And now, let's look at this one. Wir, bla 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 bla, keine Probleme, den Weg zu finden. Wir, bla 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 bla, keine Probleme, den Weg zu finden. We had no problems finding the way. What's the right conjugation? Wir hatten keine Probleme, den Weg zu finden. Well done. And the last. Er, bla 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 bla, einfach Glück. Er, bla 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 bla, einfach Glück. He was simply lucky. Er hatte einfach Glück. Did you guys get that one right? So guys, now it's time for a little exercise. Eine kleine Übung. Let's see how much you have learned already in our last 3 lessons. It is time to translate. Übersetzen. Let's start with our first example. When do you get up on Sunday? How do you say it in German? Wann stehst du am Sonntag auf? Wann stehst du am Sonntag auf? And you guys see? Am plus day. Exactly. Am Sonntag. Next one. What time or when do we go out on Friday? Tricky? You can do it, guys. Exactly. Wie viel Uhr gehen wir am Freitag aus? Wie viel Uhr gehen wir am Freitag aus? And again, am plus day. Am Freitag. But guys, did you notice that I've marked something else? Yes, our question words, exactly. Wann, und our verbs, our so-called trennbare Verben. Aufstehen, which means get up, and ausgehen. We will have a separate video about the so-called trennbare Verben. Let's head on. On Wednesday, I go to work at 8 o'clock. How do you say it in German? On Wednesday, you go to work at 8 o'clock? Am Mittwoch gehe ich 8 Uhr auf die Arbeit. Am Mittwoch gehe um 8 Uhr auf die Arbeit. You guys see again? Am Mittwoch. And now it's because plus time. 8 Uhr. Next one. Till when do you have lunch break? Bis wann machst du Mittagspause? Bis wann machst du Mittagspause? Did you get that right? Now, let's have a look at some so-called negative sentences. Verneinungen. Verneinungen mit dem Wort nicht. Sorry, I can't do 5 o'clock. How do you translate that? 5 Uhr kann ich leider nicht. 5 Uhr kann ich leider nicht. I do not go out on Sunday. How do you say that? Ich gehe am Sonntag nicht aus. Ich gehe am Sonntag nicht aus. Guys, watch out. Our so-called trennbares Verb, aus is in the ending of our sentence. Ich gehe am Sonntag nicht aus. So guys, did you find that one tricky? Now let's have a look at 3 friends having a quick conversation. Leon, Julie, and Mark. Will you guys come to cinema with me on Friday? How do you say that in the German language? How do you translate that? Kommt ihr am Freitag mit mir ins Kino? So what does Julie answer? Friday? Yeah, sure, I will come. Am Freitag? Klar, gerne, ich komme mit. And what does Mark say? What does Mark respond? He says, no, sorry, I won't come. I will be at work. Tricky one? Nein, tut mir leid, ich komme nicht mit. Ich muss arbeiten. Nein, tut mir leid, ich komme nicht mit. Ich muss arbeiten. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really did. I'm sure you know how to make appointments now, talk about your daily routine, but also excuse yourself when you're late for an appointment. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do that now. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave me some lovely comments down below. I will see you in my next video. Till then guys, bye bye.